Alright, so I don't know how much you can see out here. It's getting kind of dark. Done some stuff with the exhaust. We was just gonna do some headlights, and that was basically it. Well, one thing turned into another. A bunch of problems with the wiring, fuses being blown, stuff like that. And then my ignition got stuck, and it's stuck on the on, and I wasn't able to cut it off. I had to unplug the battery and the alternator, so it just cut off. And now I'm taking my steering wheel apart, and I'll probably end up showing how to do that. I got my steering wheel off. This is stuck on the on position, fully on. Like if I try to go back, it is completely stuck. This is as far as I've gotten. Right here. Got the steering wheel off. The hub, there's the new one. So that whole piece is gonna come out of here. And I gotta take everything on the inside of the column right here to be able to take that out. I'm just gonna wait on it right now and not mess with it anymore tonight, because I want to be able to get it on video and show how I do it. So I will see you, let's see, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. For y'all it'll be next clip. So peace out until next clip. Alright, it is the next day. I got this piece off. This right here. I gotta figure out how to get this plastic piece right here off. And I think it slides off. I'm not sure. But once I get it off, I will let you know. Okay, so I got it off with the help of Aaron. After this piece, you gotta take this ring off. It sits like right here. And then this piece is on there. And the way to get that off is you have to press it in, and then there's a snap ring that you have to spread apart, and then it allows it to pop off. And once you pop that off, this piece, and then a spring, I think I'm gonna have to take this piece off. I'm gonna have to undo that one, take this piece off so I can get to that screw. So I gotta get in behind that, to that star right there. Got this piece off. You have to undo the turn signal, which is this one right here. And there's a plate that goes on it, so you take that off. Then all the screws that are holding this in, you got to do the small screw for the hazards right here. You got to take the small screw out of it so it can come out. And then you pull this out of the way. You take out this screw right here. And then once you take that out, this comes out. Then you're good to go. Then you rinse and repeat, all in reverse. So let's see, it should go in like that. And then you're good to go. Then you just put everything back together. Then I'm gonna get the screws back on, and then I'll show how the rings and everything go back on. Alright, so the next part. You have this little spring. You slide it on, this piece, and then once you get that on, you have to press that spring in, pop this back on there, and it snaps this on, and it keeps it from coming off. This is probably the hardest part of it all. There's a tool for this, but we broke boys out here. So we had a time doing this. This right here, needed to press it on enough where the snap ring went on. There's this ring, there's that, then the hub. After that, bolt your steering wheel and everything back together. That should be it. The spring that was in there was ridiculously strong, and now everything is together. We're good. And I gotta hook up the battery, and then we're completely good to go. It should start. it's not running right, but it has idle. Bro, it sounds cammed. I guess from unplugging the alternator to actually cut it off probably has something to do with it. It looks so good. All right, it's driving time. Anything that we did was useful in any bit, let me know in the comments. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I have new merch. You have to check that out. I'll have the link in the description. So, peace.